Ọpẹ́ yẹmi ojoojúmọ́ ni màá ṣọpẹ́ fún ìfẹ́ tèmi ọ̀rẹ́ mi olólùfẹ́ mi ọpẹ́ yẹmi Diamond girl African baby ọpẹ́ yẹmi.
What y'all saying, man? What y'all saying? 10 years, baby girl.
10. I'm not even. It's not. That's what. Our childcare is calling us already, and we haven't even thingied. Let me answer. So basically, that was my parents calling in the morning before the school run to check on a few things. I think I have to actually publicly. Should I even start from there? Let me start from there. I have to publicly appreciate our parents. My parents, Ayo's mom, like every year since we've been married for the past 10 years, I think we've been afforded the opportunity to go away. And I would say 70% of those times we've gone out of the UK for about 5 days or more.
Yeah.
And each time
they
always got our backs. Like sometimes mummy will come from Nigeria to specifically stay with the children, or mum and dad will come from their house and they'll stay with the children. And it's not just stay with the children, this is like doing school runs, this is like giving them food, this is like still continuing with their normal activities. So if we haven't said it before, mum, dad, mummy, we appreciate you. Thank you, because you guys are the reason why we can actually enjoy 10 years in marriage, because you give us time to actually be Ayo and Ope rather than mommy and daddy, you know, and we appreciate you guys. And you know what, every one of our child carers, because you know I'm that person that I'm actually quite particular. I'm still struggling with it, but you know, using childcare outside of family, I think I've done it a few times, but most times it's actually my family or Ayo's family, siblings, auntie, uncle, and yeah, we just appreciate you guys, because you guys are the reason why we can pour into our love tank, why we can enjoy ourselves and
enjoy our holiday.
And
on that
note, guys, we out here. Like
we're off to DR,
not Democratic Republic of Congo, which I know is probably just as beautiful. DRC. But we are going to the Dominican Republic. I am so excited.
For some sunshine.
But the thing is, yeah, I get a bit upset. It's a bit selfish. I get a bit upset because the UK is also going to be...
Not 30 degrees.
No, but it's going to be like 25, 26. No. Which is...
Is that what it's going to be?
Yes!
It's going to be like 18.
No, 25, 26. 25, 26. Seriously, I checked it. Like,
anyway, so we're off to the airport now. Are we
on time? Are we late?
We're good. We're gonna need to change some money.
Why?
I'm gonna quickly get to the post office to change some money, because apparently you get bumped if you change money there.
Yeah.
So I want to make sure we have enough travel money. And yeah, we shall see you on the flight to DR. Okay, we're gonna vlog it. We're gonna vlog the whole DR experience.
Yeah.
And hopefully you guys love it. All right.
See you guys. Peace.
Currently at the post office, but they're not open yet. So we're gonna have to wait for 10 minutes. Hopefully they open at 9 o'clock. All right. Drivers changed. Because
in a quarter of a mile at Airport Way roundabout east, take the second exit to Ring Road South.
The slow driver is driving now, the more careful driver.
Baby, can we talk about the fact that our flight is in 1 hour, please?
It's not in 1 hour.
Oh, we're not at the airport.
Our flight is in 1 hour 45 minutes. I think we're good. We're good. We're always late to the airport.
We're actually not.
We've actually had really bad experiences with lateness. Thanks to Miami.
Thanks to me, Abby.
And I'm waiting for these guys that are supposed to park this car. Oh gosh. So sorted out the parking. I've got 2 minutes to get to the counter. Oh, we have missed this flight now. I don't know why we always have to do this. Apparently I had no MOT on the car. Oh gosh. So, we made it. That's the good news. Literally because you had to beg them. Because usually you need to check in an hour before the flight. So I got there at 10:05, which meant it was now 55 minutes before the flight. But they let us. But what I'm so angry about, the parking took time. First of all, obviously they delayed us, and then when they got there, realized that my car hasn't got MOT. Apparently the MOT expired about 2 weeks ago, and yeah, I kind of just forgot. And then so they're like, oh, they can't drive the car without an MOT. I need to pay for MOT and pay for a recovery. So I ended up paying £350 for them to do that. Can you imagine? So I'm just so angry. Like, if they had come earlier, would have sorted something out. You know, wasted my time and then took my money still on top. Anyway, nothing's gonna spoil my holiday. So we move. We're here. It is hot. Have you guys even seen the matching tees? 10 years. We're celebrating in this beautiful island.
Is that right?
I believe that it's an island. Yeah. Man, it's really hot. They said 27. This isn't 27, bro.
I think he said 32.
Was it 32?
Yeah.
This is hot, fam.
Punta Cana. Do you remember that song?
Oh, is that what they're saying? Was it Punta Cana?
Yes. This happens to us all the time. So after waiting over there for ages, my one and yours, after waiting over there for ages, me and Ayo's stuff is right here. We waited there for ages. Look, he's coming around now. Absolutely ridiculous. Look at Ayo's big suitcase, please. What's he coming to do here? I beg, tell me, what's he coming? What did we're here since someone pulled it out. Can you imagine? But baby, I just compared my suitcase to yours. Sorry, are the children in here? Are your kids in here, please? Because why so big? Nice hotel?
Yes. Where is here for me in Spanish?
I have a bit of Spanish.
Toma.
Gracias.
Dile lo que lo de mañana. ¿Qué va para allá mañana para el hotel? Me está preguntando ella que ella va a hacer un estudio de You English.
Oh, English. Okay. Hola.
Hola.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Likewise.
Oh, gracias.
All I can think of right now is eating. I'm so hungry. I'm hungry. Like,
All you can think of is going to the beach to relax. All you own is food.
oh, your own is
I brought you here.
This guy
I
was
brought you
touching me
here.
up on the plane.
I brought you
said,
here.
give me a loan.
I brought you here to relax. Let's go to the beach, go to the pool, have some nice drinks. Not food all the time.
This one? Yeah. Joker. You're funny. Hola.
I mean, you could talk. Let's look at the house. I said house.
Well,
The apartment.
La familia. So you think that, yeah, actually.
So this is some wardrobe.
save for all the dollars
And pounds.
and pounds.
That's the bathroom. Bathroom.
With a little jacuzzi.
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 See what Akoyami is doing? We literally just came here. She's eating cakes. Cakes.
Yes, yes. That's it. Do you want anything? What's this?
Chocolate chip.
Do you want?
I just want fruits. I'm gonna have a banana. Somebody has to eat healthy for us. Okay, so I'm gonna be eating healthy for us. Alright?
I'm drinking green tea.
Green
Green
tea.
tea is healthy, isn't it? Green tea is healthy.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Nice.
So can I just take the banana? These are all these ones. Okay, these are like sandwich.
Is it
What
all
is
this fruit is?
Yes.
Oh, let me take this fruit. This fruit
Yes.
box. Yeah. Take that one. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. This banana cake is really nice.
Mm. Mm.
Do you want one?
No, I'm okay. What's happening, people?
Yo.
So we are fully settled.
Are we fully settled?
I'm settled though. I'm settled. Like,
You don't settle.
we are. Where we're already eating.
No, I'm already eating. I had one banana cake. I'm waiting for dinner because I'm actually very, very hungry. I'm starving like Marvin. Like I'm waiting for food. We've got into our room.
Mm-hmm.
We've not even surveyed the area because I'm too.
We're still gonna survey because we want to go to the poolside. We want to go to the beach tonight.
Tonight.
Okay. Sex on the beach is happening tonight now.
I'm done. Please do even.
So there's a private pool. There's a private beach. So we've just been walking around. But right now, Akoyemi is so tired.
Is it that I'm tired? Do you think I'm tired, baby?
I feel like you're tired. You want to
I'm
eat
slept
because
heavy.
Akoyemi didn't sleep on the flight.
This guy was snoring on the floor.
I slept for like
The
3
thing had
hours.
turbulence, and I was there. I was praying. I was covering us in prayer.
I slept for like 3 hours on that flight
Wow.
because bearing in mind, guys, I literally just got back from Houston, Texas.
Yes, that's true.
I got back last night from Houston,
That's
Texas,
true.
and jumped on another flight this morning. And those
Catching
are two
flights.
9-hour flights.
Catching flights, not feeling.
Catching flights, not feeling. So I'm actually tired, but I'm happy that I was was able to catch up on some sleep
Yeah.
on the flight. The flight was generally okay.
No,
apart from the
because you
turbulence.
slept with me. There was turbulence. It was not generally okay. Thank you to my Papa Gods that he's got the whole world in his hands, because honestly, that flight was bumpy.
It was bumpy,
Very,
innit?
very bumpy. Obviously, I'm a very nervous flyer already, but the flight was bumpy.
I'm a nervous flyer as well, but I think I'm overcoming those nerves.
Yeah, no, you've got much better. You used
I've
to cry.
gotten a lot better. I beg your pardon. I beg your pardon. So the people here are nice, you know, at least so
The
far.
hotel's nice. We've got here, and
The hotel is really nice. I can't even lie. It's like a full city by
I
itself.
also it's like Redeem Camp.
No, you know when I say it's like Redeem Camp, you know, like when you go to camp, there's a hospital there,
Yeah.
there's restaurants there, there's a filling station, there's everything you can do on there. So the same way we can do everything we need to do on here, we don't need to actually leave this building.
Yeah.
Even though I want to go out, you know,
I
but
want to
saying
go
we
out to the
shouldn't go
town.
out.
He wants to go out to the town. He thinks that this is Lagos. No, we're staying.
We're definitely going into town, so we're going to explore the town. I've got one driver's number that one of my colleagues gave me from work. I'm going to call that driver. He's going to take us out at some point. Okay, we're going to explore. We're going to have fun.
We're going to have
baby.
fun.
So it's our 10-year anniversary. No holding back. We're going to take more risks. We're going to be more adventurous.
Excuse me.
We're going to be more adventurous, Opeyemi.
I told you that we're going to go zip lining. Ayo said, no, baby, I can't. I'm scared. I said, I'm scared too, but let's do it.
No, I didn't say I'm scared.
What did
I'm nervous about heights.
Yeah, me too.
It gives me anxiety.
Me
So I'm not
too.
going to do that to myself. All right?
But let's do it
So-
together.
And when me that saying let's do it together, if we go there now, she will not
Then
do it.
let's go there. Let's go there.
If it's not too high, I can consider.
It's
Because
zip line.
I'm scared of heights.
Zip lining, what do you think? You think it's going to be up to Mariah?
If it's zip lining like this ceiling,
No.
but it's not zip lining that is like skyscraper.
You're above trees.
Nah, I'm not doing that, bro. I'm not doing that.
Maybe.
So we're going to do all of these activities. It's all inclusive, so literally
Man, it's all inclusive. Baby.
all food and
Guys,
drinks
it's
inclusive.
everything.
Opeyemi is going to get fat.
I was going to get fat. Then you go get fat. Not me.
If you know me, I
I
don't
reject
eat
it in
much.
Jesus' name.
So yeah, but we're looking forward to a great time. You guys obviously follow, okay? Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't
Yeah.
subscribed. And what do you guys think about teas?
We need
Okay.
to take some pictures in our tea.
We're gonna take some nice pictures of our t-shirts.
We've been getting compliments like, you
Yeah.
don't look like you've been married for 10 years. Okay, I'm not doing the accent war.
Yeah. We got a few compliments. You know. Yeah, it's good. You see, I'm keeping my wife.
Was 25.
I'm
That's how I
keeping-
knew that they were guessing. That's how I knew that they were looking for tip.
But I'm keeping my wife, I'm keeping you looking young, okay? So I'm keeping my wife young. We met this couple as well, lovely couple. They've been married 24 years.
24 years.
And they're here for the second time. They came
Yeah.
here for their 20th anniversary and they really loved it. So they're like, yeah, we're going to have a good time. So really looking forward to it, man.
Yeah, man.
I think it's really good for couples, okay?
Yeah, but baby, you know, because I said this is a thinking now. We're not going to see any kids here. It's adult only.
Oh!
Yeah, no.
So it's an adult-only resort. Right, gotcha.
So we've never done that before.
Yes, our first time doing that.
Usually we do a bit of family stuff, but kids are at home with grandma and granddad. They'll be all right.
They'll be alright, man. I want to look after my wife.
Please look after me.
Want to take care of my
looking
wife.
after. We need taking care of. Only taking care of.
There was this guy that gave us one agbo
Man.
at the bar just now, and he's like, this
said-
agbo, be careful, oh,
Be careful.
because children will pop up. Oh.
Children will pop up. I said, nah, we got 3 already. He said, you'll have 2 more. I said, nah. This guy doesn't like me. He said, 2 more. You have 2 more. You'll be anyway. Let's not.
No, we came to do baby boy and baby girl here.
Baby boy and baby girl. Not have baby boy.
We're
and
not
baby
having
girl.
baby boy and baby girl. God has blessed us. So
Yeah.
we're fine. Alright guys, we're going to end this vlog here now. Alright, so we're going to vlog every day, and I'm hoping that we can actually put out, every night and all of our activities and everything. Okay, so make sure you subscribe, turn on your notifications to follow us on our anniversary in Punta Cana.
Punta Cana. Check if Opeyemi stayed up, because this way I'm yawning like a
Yeah, you're actually tired. You're gonna sleep, bro.
No. I'm gonna.
And I'm not about to sleep. So basically,
So you're gonna decide.
we are 5 hours behind the UK.
Yeah. No.
Which is helpful for me because I'm just coming from the States where we're 6 hours behind. So at the moment, I feel like I'm fully adjusted. You're gonna need to adjust to the time zone.
Especially because I've not been sleeping. I woke up at 5 a.m. this morning. Why? I woke up at 5 a.m.
I don't know, maybe you were excited. But me woke up 5 a.m. this morning. Anyways, guys, let us end this vlog here.
Bye, guys.
Thank you for rocking with us. Subscribe, okay, and then watch the rest of all of the scenes, okay, in this Punta Cana vlog. I don't know what we're gonna call it. We're gonna call it the 10-year anniversary honeymoon. Okay.
Honeymoon.
10-year anniversary honeymoon. It's gonna be amazing, guys. So make sure you watch everything. We shall see you in the next video. Peace.
Ọpẹ́ ló yẹ mí, ojoojúmọ́ ni